Welcome to the Mac user group channel. In this video, I'm going to give you my feedback on the Big Sur 11.3 update. I installed this morning and I really like couple updates that Apple made. Number one, iPhone and iPad apps on M1 now works better. There is better screen resolution support. We can now resize to maximum full screen, which is a good thing. Number two, iPhone and iPad app games that support game controller and device tilt now can be controlled using mouse, keyboard, and trackpad, which is great. Also, a small but useful update they have added is that on the About this Mac, they have added a service tab which shows your Apple Care information. It is very useful after a few months, like 6-7 months or a year. You forget, do you even have Apple Care and so on? This will show you. Now let me show you two of my favorite iPhone games that I can run on M1 now using keyboard, mouse, and trackpad. First one is called Airwings, and this is the screen, default screen. I'm going to go to Preferences, and you can now see I can turn it on. I can turn on the game controller, keyboard, mouse. These are the controls. I'm not very good at, of course, with this, but I'm just going to show you. Alright, let's play. Let's do practice. Spacebar, launching it, controlling it. Going out. Hitting it super. Very nice. Picked up down. Good. So it works pretty good. Now let me maximize the screen. You can see the screen is much bigger. Very nice. So I think this is very nice for me because I like these kind of very simple games. So I'm going to switch to a different one. I couldn't get the original flight control because they have not made it available for M1. But this is the closest one I'm going to get to flight control. So again, I can maximize. Now, let's start. You'll see I use my mouse to drag the plane. Basically, it works pretty well. Right there. So as you can see, it works very well with mouse. I love this kind of simple games, and before you couldn't play them, but now we can. If you find this channel useful, please like and subscribe. Thank you.